This is a normal eastern tree frog in its normal colouring. The one behind me is the exact same species of frog, except this one lives in Chernobyl. In the years after the accident at the Chernobyl nuclear plant, there were high levels of radiation still hanging in the air, and that level of radiation meant it was hard for the frogs to survive, and when they couldn't survive, they needed to change. This is what appears to have happened. At the time of the accident, there seems to have been some of these frogs that just happened to have popped out a little bit darker than their brothers and sisters. So when the accident happened, that extra melanin in their skin absorbed and scattered some of the radiation energy, which helped stop their cells from getting damaged. Then along came slightly darker frogs, and they dealt with the radiation energy even better, so they got even darker and darker and darker until they ended up with frogs that were pretty much pitch black. The closer the frogs were to high levels of radiation immediately after the accident, the darker their skin color tended to be. This whole process of these frogs going from lime green to black took place within just 30 years. And now the radiation's dropped off a bit in a lot of their ponds, so let's give it another 30 years and see if they flick back.